Hi, today we are going to see how to make mixed vegetable handi recipe. The ingredients required are vegetables like cauliflower, carrots and green onions, onion 1 big, green chilies, grated coconut 1 small cube, thick curd or yogurt 1 cup, tomato puree 1/4 of a cup, ginger garlic paste, heavy whipped cream, coriander leaves to garnish, cumin seeds, garam masala powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. Now take a pan, add oil and heat it. Add the vegetables like cauliflower, green onions and carrots. Mix and fry well. Add some garam masala powder and again mix and fry well. After frying the vegetables, remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Now take the same vessel or another vessel, add oil, add cumin seeds and let it splutter. Add onions, mix and fry well. While the onions are getting fried well, add some tomato puree and ginger garlic paste. Mix and fry well. Add little turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Mix and cook well. Now while the ingredients are getting cooked, add thick curd or yogurt. Mix well. Close the lid and let the curry cook for some more time. Now you can see the curry is getting cooked well. Now add small cube of grated coconut and green chilies. Mix and cook well. Add the previously fried vegetables to the curry. Mix well and cook. Add little water and let the curry cook for some more time. Now add little whipped cream. Mix well and let it cook for some more time. Now you can see the curry is getting ready. Garnish with coriander leaves, and you can see the curry is ready. It can be served hot with parathas, chapatis and all other naan items.